Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see that the background is pretty different from where I filmed last time. It's because I have moved out, okay? So just to give you a backstory, uh, I was applying for jobs since 4 months, and then somehow surprisingly when I uploaded my previous video, after 2 days I get this phone call that there's this job where I have to manage the property and the people working in the property, since the owner is most of the time out of the city or country. And then I also have to manage clients that rent out this property. So yeah, that is where I got this job from. And when there are no clients in the property or no owner, then I get this property all to myself in the sense that I can be around here. And if there are people, then I go into my accommodation. And I would also like to tell that I also brought my mom along with me to stay. And I have no words क्योंकि सब इतने जल्दी जल्दी हो गया. I still can't believe I have to pinch myself here and there that just few days ago I was here on the internet sharing how toxic my environment is and how I really want to move out. And I'm out. And I'm just out, and that's like really mind blowing to me. And I'm out with my mom and even my younger brother, like he will be joining us soon. He had moved out of the family a year ago because of the toxicity, so he'd be back staying with me. So I kind of moved out with my mom and my brother, and I think that's a dream come true. Now this is not my place, but someday we'll have our place too. Right now this is just the accommodation that I'm staying in. Yeah, so that's the new life update. अभी यहाँ से तो हमने ascend ही करना है because the first step is done. I really wanted stability, peace of mind and a foundation. And I think I have that right now. If I just shut my mouth, the peace here is incredible. I'll just do that. Like the first time I came here and I was just like seeing the property around, I sat like there's this pool, okay, in the backyard, and I just sat there and I knocked out because there was so much peace here. There is so much peace here. And as someone who was living in a toxic environment, my nervous system was always in fight or flight mode. And now it has peace, which is incredible. And it's something new for me. Now, this is the update, but there are also other few things that I would like to address. In my previous video, there was my comment section filled with few questions and few stories and few relatable stories, and I would like to address them. So, if you are someone who is watching my video right now, who also watched my previous video and wanted to know what I'll be doing further or wanted some suggestion, I'll be giving right now. But I would also like to put up a disclaimer. Taking a suggestion, like an educational suggestion for me, no, it's coming from an unprofessional place. I'm just saying what I feel that will work out for me and what options I searched for myself. So, in no way I think that I am the most eligible person to take an educational suggestion or advice from, alright? So, that's what I would like to put out first. So, let's address few comments here. Okay, so this first comment is from Anshita Verma, and she says, "Okay, I really need a good advice. I used to be a good student, and I did well in 10th. I didn't join any offline coaching for NEET and didn't go to school as well because I thought I can handle it, but as obvious, it didn't happen. I messed up both 11th and 12th, scored very less in 12th boards. I passed out class 12 at the age of 16. That's very young, Anshita, and I want you to kind of be proud of yourself. At the age of 16 in 2025, and I joined an offline coaching for NEET. To be honest, faculty wasn't very good, and I didn't try my best because I became very underconfident. After around a year, I am at a point where I feel like I'm not gonna make it. I feel I don't remember anything and I'm gonna disappoint myself and my parents again. But as much as I know, my parents they are gonna tell me to take a drop for next year. So what should I do? This is my first attempt and I'm already drained. If you are feeling drained, okay, then that addresses a lot. That says a lot in itself. What I want you to do is whatever you have prepared right now, if you are going to attempt NEET, whatever you have prepared right now, I need you to revise that thoroughly. I need you to give your all best. If your best are 12 hours, you give your 12 hours. If your best is 5 hours, you give your 5 hours. And if your best is 2 hours, you give your 2 hours, okay? Make yourself your own competition, but just be consistent. However many hours you can put in every day, just put your best. Just show up to your best, okay? And what I want you to do is give your NEET this year, and then after giving the NEET, that is on 3rd of May, right? आप जुलाई तक कुछ भी मत करो, and just like travel. That is the best way to decompress and find yourself. Travel alone, and if your family is not allowing you to like go to like different cities and places, just go for walks. Just like try to reconnect with yourself through nature, and don't study in this span, okay? At least एक month आप studies मत करो. एक मंथ खुद को ब्रेक देने के लिए, ये एक मंथ में आप सिर्फ आपका रूटीन एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन वापस लाओ, जैसे कि गेटिंग अप ऑन टाइम, स्लीपिंग ऑन टाइम, पुटिंग इन सम एक्सरसाइज एंड जर्नलिंग. जस्ट डू दैट, ओके? एंड उसके बाद धीरे धीरे आप थोड़ा ट्राई करो स्टडीज़ करने का, एंड देन ट्राई टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ योर सेल्फ. आर यू डूइंग दिस फॉर योर पेरेंट्स? आर यू डूइंग दिस फॉर the validation you will get because of the tag of doctor? Because I was doing that. What are you really doing this for? If you are really passionate about it, I would say that एक month का study break लेके आप studies अच्छे से कर पाओगे. If you are very passionate and if you really want to do this, then I would say like take a drop, because एक drop ठीक है, it's fine to take one drop and you're pretty young too. So take a drop if you think like you really want to do this and you're really passionate about it. And even if in that 1 month you feel like this is not for you, then I need you to find something, okay? Our Indian parents, they really don't see our true potential unless they know कि like we are like very sure of something that we want to do. The thing is not to have regret. I don't need you to regret, okay? अगर समझो आपने अभी नीट दे दिया और आपने आपके फुल कैपेसिटी पे दिया है, आपकी कैपेसिटी, आई एम स्पीकिंग, आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग यू विथ पीपल हु आर स्टडिंग फॉर 12 आवर्स, 14 आवर्स और प्लस और इवन मिनिमम. आई एम सेइंग आप अगर आपकी कैपेसिटी पे रह के आपने अगर स्टडीज़ किए और वो कैपेसिटी पे आपने पूरा जान लगा के अगर आपने पेपर लिखा, you will not have any regret, because you know that you did your best and whatever the result comes, okay, that is your best. और उसी में आपको पता चल जाएगा if this is meant for you or not. Again, after taking the 1 month education वाला break, okay, you will reconnect with yourself and you will know if this is for you or not, okay? And I also need you to like try searching for other courses that you might want to do. I'll be further talking about courses that I'm gonna do, so stay tuned. So that's my advice for you, Anshita. Then there's this person, I don't know if it's a female or a male. The username is Megatron N9E, and उन्होंने बोला I'm watching this confession or give up of NEET aspirants before NEET exam. मैंने अभी तक dozens of ऐसे videos देख चुका हूँ. अभी तक dozens of ऐसे video देख चुका हूँ. Why aren't you like preparing for NEET exam, and why are you watching dozens of videos? My only question is, why this enlightenment before few days of exam? Why do you have to watch dozens of videos just before exam? So stop fooling yourself. Through what? Through abuse and like getting out of like toxic environment. See, the thing is, I decided not to give NEET months ago. It's not कि like मुझे अभी enlightenment आया है. I really did not wanted to do it a year ago, but my mom forced me to like give up my last try. And what happened? I got burnt out because मुझे करना ही नहीं था. मुझे मेरे 2 attempts में ही पता चल गया था कि like ये family में रह के और जो capacity में मैं अभी हूँ, I'm not my best to give this exam. So it's not like I am getting enlightenment just 10 days before exam or like 20 days before exam. This was like a year ago, and my family just agreed now that fine, whatever you want to do, you can do. So that's it for you, Megatron. Bhavna 555 says, the father's abuse is clearly wrong and inexcusable, but the mother cannot be seen as completely innocent either, which is very true. Like, it's not like I'm just blaming my father, I'm not even blaming them, okay? The thing is, they come from a very toxic environment themselves, both of my parents. So it's just generational trauma following one after the other. But the thing is, my mom does not have both of her parents since she was a child. So for her, it wasn't really easy to quit upon my father and the marriage. Right now, also they are like not divorced; they are just staying separately. It wasn't easy for her to like leave the marriage when she has no family support behind her and just fall out in the society with a young girl and a small son. I'm not trying to justify, but also it's not like she had several options and she did not take it. Apart from that, whatever you have said, thank you so much. I just wanted to address this. I thought there would be other people too having this thought going on. Then there is Fact O Subhay, if I'm pronouncing that right. This is my third drop. I'm 20-year-old now. I've completed my 12th grade at 17. Now my preparation is still not good. I can't do that. Move on is the best option rather taking drop. I can't focus on classes. Same book, same topic. I don't want to do that shit anymore. Go for it. Please go for it if you are sure and it's your third drop. Another comment from Vidya Dubai 19, and she's saying that, may I know what course you're going to pursue? Just asking so that I can also get an idea. So I had given an exam for bioinformatics and biotechnology, BTech in bioinformatics and biotechnology. So I had already given an entrance exam for a private university. If you want to know what is bioinformatics, it's just biology and mathematics and computer science all together. So I was a PCB student. Now you'll be saying कि आप BTech कैसे कर रहे हो? Because many private universities, when you are doing BTech in biotechnology or BTech in bioinformatics, they give you a bridge course in mathematics. आपको first year, second year में and maybe third year में भी आपको mathematics integrated रहता है. So if the results are good, I will be taking admission for BTech in biotechnology and bioinformatics, and those are my further plans. And if that doesn't also go as planned, then I'll be doing online BBA. Now BBA का इतना demand नहीं है market में, and it also pays not that much. But what I think, this is not a professional advice, but what I think is, if I integrate BBA plus SQL and Python and everything, they really go well together, and then I can like go further for MBA maybe. So those are my further plans, and whoever who is thinking of an alternate plan, please go for it. I need you, whatever you want. ठीक है, आप क्या करो, that this is what I did, okay? When I was like very very confused कि अभी मुझको नीट नहीं देना है तो मैं क्या दूँ, what I did is I just went to ChatGPT and I just like told कि like मेरा इतना इतना like studies है, ऐसा है वैसा है, now what should I like do. Lastly, I also wanted to thank all of you who was like supporting me and giving me good wishes for future. Thank you for the new subscribers. I really want to build a community where we are hustling, grinding, and we are positive. So subscribe for more, and see you guys in future. Bye bye.